Why should your technicians and front counter people be trained on TPMS together? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by ATEC, manufacturers of TPMS diagnostic tools and solutions. Visit atec-tpms.com for more information.
When I say training, a lot of shops think it's all about the technicians and back. In reality, you need to have training on TPMS for your front counter personnel. They are on the TPMS front lines for educating the consumer. If that front counter person does not know a lot about TPMS, they're not going to be able to engage the customer and answer a lot of their questions about TPMS and then to effectively sell that customer TPMS. A front counter person, no matter what type of shop they work at, they should know what a TPMS service is. What's going on with the sensors? What's going on with the computer? Why a service kit is important and why it needs to be replaced every time the sensor is moved or removed from the room itself. By knowing this, that front counter person can help the customer make a very educated decision. It can also help that person behind the front counter ask a lot of the frequent questions like, what does a flashing TPMS light mean? When the TPMS light is solid, what does that mean? So, send your front counter personnel to training along with your technicians for TPMS. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.